If I had to start my freelance writing journey all over again in 2026, these are 5 things I wish I knew in 2013 that I would do right now. Number 1, I would pick an industry and study 10 brands. 5 would be big brands and 5 would be startups. Why? Because I want to understand what they do, why they do it, and how they do it. So let's pick the food industry, for instance. If one of the brands I have picked is an ice cream brand, and I want to write for them, I will study the kind of content they've created so far, all the platforms they've created this content on, and how they have done them. Number 2, which is very, very important, is to find out the people they've been creating this content for. So who's the target market? Who's the target audience? Who will be reading your pieces? You also want to know the kind of answers those people are looking for. For an ice cream brand, one of their target audience might be supermarkets. How do you now create content for these people? That brings us to number 3, understanding search intent. So for a supermarket who's looking to buy, their search intent is purchase. You should be able to create your content in such a way that it provides that answer immediately. Can we purchase such and such from this brand? Yes, you can. And this is how much it costs. This is where to find them. This is how to contact them. You would be able to deliver answers as quickly as possible within your content such that it converts better for your client. You now want to know how the brand likes to sound. That's tone of voice. If you understand tone of voice, nobody's going to guess that you're a beginner. Why? Because you already sound like the brand. Good. So if the brand wants to sound fun, for instance, an ice cream brand will want to sound fun. Kids love it. So the tone might not be like when you're writing for, let's say, a shoe brand that's targeting rich men. You want to sound more lively. Yeah. So once you understand how they like to sound, you'll be able to incorporate that in your content. And finally, this is the most important part. This is the part that brings you money. I will create content that suits each of these 10 brands, maybe 2 articles each. And I'll publish them on Medium and on Substack. Get all the live links and put them together in a simple Canva portfolio. Once you do that, it's time to pitch. And you know what? I am going to pitch all of these brands in 2 days. The first day is going to be for the big brands, while the second day is going to be for the startups. How am I going to find contacts to pitch them? I will search for them on LinkedIn or on their websites via the contact us page. Then I'm just going to keep my fingers crossed. If this doesn't give you clients in the first 1 month, try it again. And this time, it most likely will work. See you in the next video.